Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
COSTWAY 1700W electric portable clothes dryer, 13.2 pounds capacity front-load compact tumble laundry dryer with stainless steel tub, easy control button panel downside for variety drying mode, white. Diaresis large capacity front-load dryer. COSTWAY electric clothes dryer feature a spacious 3.22 cubic feet capacity and dries up to 13.2 pounds of clothing, almost meets the drying needs of the whole family. Equipped with powerful 120V 60Hz motor unit and PTC heat element, the inner drum will rapidly form the warm airflow to provide stable drying performance in low noise. Diaresis forward and reverse tumble action featuring large diameter stainless steel tumble. This portable laundry dryer adopts the forward and reverse tumble action with inner S-shaped device for easy rotation to prevent tangling, effectively removing wrinkles and restoring the fluffy and comfortable fabrics in the moderate temperature. Diaresis energy efficient and quiet tumbling. Our electric clothes dryer equipped with 4 layers intake and exhaust filter that is easy to clean to work efficiently, and automatic shut-off to save energy. Experience reduced disruption with the quiet tumbling infrastructure, allowing you to run the dryer when sleeping or when going about your daily routine without excess loud noise. Lower noise, 58 to 62 decibels. Diaresis portable and space saving. This electric laundry dryer weighs only 60.6 pounds. Power, 120V, 60 Hz 23.5x 20x 27.5, LXWXH, portable size perfectly fit your apartment, dorm room and the little corner of the house. You can wall mounting it, place it on firm horizontal ground or rack mounted. The bracket is not included.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.